Hey guys, Sean here. Welcome to this section. In this section, we're going to talk about YouTube. Okay, this section is one of my most favorites because by now you already have your the product that you want to promote. You already probably have a landing page for it. If you don't, if you chose to just send traffic directly to the sales and to the sales page, that's okay. It's your choice. But by now you have a product to promote. Now, from this section, moving forward, we're going to talk about traffic, and this section is going to be about YouTube. And YouTube, let me tell you something, is my most favorite traffic source because the traffic from YouTube is super high converting, and it's just crazy. I have a YouTube channel with almost 600 subscribers, just 600, okay, and I get a lot of sales. I get over, about $11,000 a month just from YouTube, and that's how crazy it is. Okay, so if you do YouTube right, if you have a really good strategy, this is something we're going to talk about in this section. I'm going to talk about a lot. Talk about YouTube a lot. I'm tell you exactly how you can rank your videos, get a lot of views, and make a lot of sales. Okay, so before we move on, before we go to talking about the details and stuff, let me tell you something. I want you to make a decision right now. Okay, if you want to do video marketing, or especially YouTube, if you want to do YouTube, you need to make a choice right now. Okay, your choice is either you want to be the person in front of a camera like me, because I love making videos. Okay, it's just my favorite thing because I don't know, I just like it, But if you are not comfortable with a camera, you need to make that decision right now. And if you're not, let me tell you, if you're not comfortable with a camera, and if you're not comfortable with creating videos from yourself, it's okay. You can. There are other ways to make videos and make a lot of sales from them. Let me tell you something. My first ever video, my first really big video, wasn't from me. I created a video about Google Sniper, a product that I promote. I think I've talked about it before, about 3 years ago. And from the single video, the video got I spent like maybe $160, $170. I'm a guy, when I do something, I just want to do it really perfect, and I spent like $170 on that, and I spent $170 on that, and it got over $15,000 in sales. It was just crazy, and it wasn't even my video. Okay, it wasn't even my video. So again, you got to make this decision. Either you want to be in front of a camera, which I'm going to talk about how to do it right, or if you don't want to be in front of a camera, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create high converting amazing videos without even being in front of a camera. Okay, so again, I'm really excited about this section. Let's go over it and let's make some money from YouTube. I'll see you in there.